Hi, I'm. It's like I don't think I can do this. We kind of, over the years, assembled 15 rules that help to guide us. Now, I have to say, they're only our rules, but they do apply to anybody who's attempting to do this kind of spoof. All these people, when they try to imitate our style, probably less successful because they are not aware of the rules, the 15 rules. Jim Abrams is probably looking down at me and saying, oh God, is David trying to take himself seriously? No, I'm not. And it's none of your business.